Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener, and today I want to show you the first part in a two-part series on how me and my father-in-law Steve ran irrigation out to my garden beds. Now, one thing you'll notice is I didn't have a ditch witch, so I was the ditch bitch. It was very windy the other day when we did this, and the sound quality was poor, so I had to overdub everything, but you'll get the gist of it. If you have any questions about what I did or how I did it, just leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it. Well, we started digging near this tree first because we wanted to see what kind of roots we were going to have to contend with. And it wasn't too bad overall. We used the sawzall on the roots and just kept digging. My father-in-law would use the pick to draw the line, and then I would go behind him with the shovel and dig the hole. See here that I got pretty hot doing this, so I took my jacket off. Here's an example of how rich the soil is in my garden bed versus the rest of the yard. Now it's time to lay some pipe. Basically, I have a main line running out and to the right in the shape of an L, and I tee off of that to each bed. And also, we're putting in a spigot on that first bed. Well, that's it. We've got water ran out to the beds. Now all I have to do is put in some drip irrigation, which I plan to do soon, and that will be the next video in this installment. I also have a drain box out there with a valve so that it's at the lowest point. In the wintertime when I want to drain the line, I can just turn that valve on, all the water goes out, and my line won't freeze. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Be sure to ring that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. And until then guys, happy gardening.